Are your jetpacks charged and passports ready? Today, we aren't just traveling. We're hitting the absolute bucket list. We are cramming all 7 new wonders of the world into one adventure. Let's go. First stop, the Great Wall of China. This isn't just a wall. It's over 13,000 miles of history, started in the 7th century BC to defend against invasions. It's the longest man-made structure in the world. Look at this stone giant. Literally snakes across the planet. Next, we're in Jordan at the Rose City of Petra. Carved directly into vibrant red sandstone cliffs by the Nabateans around 300 BC. It's pure architectural magic. Next stop, Rome, the Colosseum, finished in 80 AD. This was the ultimate Roman entertainment venue. It could hold over 50,000 spectators for gladiatorial games. The engineering here is genius. The massive stone arches, built to last forever. We're crossing the ocean to Mexico. Chichén Itzá was a powerful Mayan city. The star is El Castillo. That massive pyramid isn't just a temple, it's a calendar. The steps actually align perfectly with the equinoxes. Up next, we're hitting the Andes at 7,970 feet. Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Incas. Built in the 15th century and abandoned just a century later. It was hidden from the outside world until 1911. Don't forget to take some pictures with the llamas. Now, a quick jump to India to visit the Taj Mahal. This stunning white marble mausoleum was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in the 1600s for his wife. It took 20,000 artisans over 20 years to build. It's the world's most beautiful symbol of love. And finally, we're landing in Brazil. Christ the Redeemer, standing 98 feet tall over Rio. Completed in 1931. It is the youngest of the wonders. Absolutely iconic views. 7 wonders on one incredible planet. Which one of these are you putting on your travel list? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm blasting off and we'll see you in the next city.